නමෝ තස් භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස් භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස් භගවතෝ අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස. Dear venerables, dear devotees, today is the 5th day of our intensive retreat. We all effortfully had been practicing. Most of us already joyful with the meditation practice. We are enjoying. So the same effort we have to maintain. We see many of the venerables, they are effortful. Some of the devotees, meditators, also effortful. Same effort we have to maintain, then we can experience the deeper results of the meditation. Until we reach our meditation results, we have to maintain our practice. We need to maintain our desire to fulfill our practice. We need to train our mind, is called chitta, and also we need to maintain effort, virya. We need to understand why we practice, how to apply the meditation. So understanding vimamsa. These things together, we maintain our practice. Definitely, we can reach higher levels. So all of us, some difficulties there, but our determinations together, we have to maintain practice. So the arising Buddha, it is very rare. Million of years, no Buddha. Today we are very lucky that this is Buddha period. Arising Dhamma also very rare. Million of years, no Dhamma. So today we are very lucky we have Dhamma. Arising Sangha also very rare. Millions of years we cannot see the Sangha, we cannot listen from the Sangha. Today we are very lucky. We have these triple gems. Together these triple gems, we have to maintain our effort, we have to maintain our practice, then definitely within this period of asana, we can experience some of the concentration, some of the mindfulness, some of the vipassanas. Until we reach, we have to determine, we have to maintain our practice. We determine and we maintain our practice, definitely we can experience some of the meditation results. In the Buddha time, many venerables are given very big support to the sasana. You know the Venerable Sariputta, Arahant Venerable, is the highest in the wisdom. Long term had been practicing, fulfilling paramis and attain Arahant. After that, in wisdom highest. You know, Venerable Mahamoggallana also long time had been practicing parami and became highest in the psychic powers. Venerable Mahakashyapa also had been practicing long time and so became Arahant, the highest in the austere practice, Dutangas. So the one occasion, when the Buddha there in Rajagaha city, that monastery is called Veluvanarama. Many good venerable with the Buddha. Venerable Mahakashyapa also there. So Buddha had been staying there for 6 months, including Vassana. After the Vassana, the Buddha had been preparing for traveling, walking outside, because many people, they get benefits, including Devas, Brahmas. They get benefits of Dhamma, seeing Buddha, seeing Sangha, listen Dhamma. They get benefits. So Buddha had been preparing. So other venerables also washing robes, dyeing robes, coloring robes, these kind of things, making new robes. Venerable Mahakashyapa also had been preparing his robes. Few of the venerables, they looked down Venerable Mahakashyapa and talking. The Venerable Mahakashyapa now washing robe. Why he's washing robe? He's definitely not going out. Because this city, Rajagaha city, all the people is relative to the Venerable Mahakashyapa. So he not go out. He not give up his relatives. He likes to stay with the relatives. He may not go. They had been talking. So later, all the sanghas now preparing. Buddha advised Venerable Mahakashyapa, Venerable, this here city, many Buddhist people, including king. If you go and other sangha go, all sangha go out, they worry, they cannot listen Dhamma, they cannot follow this Dhamma. Better you stay together with your disciples. Venerable was very humble, accept Buddha's word and said, yes, Bhante, accepted because Buddha's advice. So now other venerables had been preparing. So those venerables who had been looking down, they had been now again talking. We see, we told that venerable is not going. Now you understand. Venerable not going because of his relatives. Buddha asked Venerable, what you had been talking? We had been talking about the Venerable Mahakashyapa. We thought he is not going, now we understood he is not going because of his relatives, his attachments. Buddha says, Venerable, don't say this way. My son, Venerable Mahakashyapa, not the person like that you think. Venerable Mahakashyapa, that he had given up his all the attachments. He had determination, not today, in the samsara long term. He didn't have the attachment, craving to the worldly things. He had the wish, this thing, not today, in the earlier Buddha period is called Padumuttara, Buddhist. Very long period before that Venerable determined. So longer period he had been in the samsara but no craving anything. No big craving, general craving is available but not big craving. He had been maintaining his samsara is very relaxed, very easily give up anything. So he had to fulfill his mindfulness. He had the attainment. He's like the swan. You know, some of the ponds easy dry in the dry period. So swan had to go to the another place. So like that, Venerable is easy give up the place, easy give up the devotees, easy give up the benefits. Venerable not like the person as you think, already fulfill his mindful, fulfill all his practice and given up his attachments. So Buddha had been preaching by reciting one of the Dhammapada. Uyunjanti sati manto nikete ramati te hansava palalang hitva okomokang jahanti te. Venerable maintaining his mindfulness and no craving, no attachments. As like the swan, he is going to the another pond which that pond got dry. So that training is valuable for us also. We are training for this purpose. Ordination practice, we are training for reducing our attachments, craving. So that we have to do it, this practice again, continuously train. One day we can fulfill our practice, one day we can reach complete no attachment, is called Arahant. Until that, we should determine, maintain our practice continuously and attain. So results maybe come today, sometimes tomorrow, any day, sometimes this life, next life, doesn't matter, whenever results come. Till the results come, We have to maintain our practice continuously. In the Dhamma talk, the Buddha explained the mindfulness. So we have to understand what is mindfulness, what does the mindfulness, why we develop mindfulness. We have to understand. Our Buddha always encourage develop mindfulness, develop mindfulness. That means so important thing. Buddha always encourage attain path progression, means always encourage develop mindfulness, means so important things. So that how we understand importance, we see in the world there are two type of the person. One person we think he don't have the mindfulness. Another person we think he had the very deep mindfulness. So that means mentality. One person mentality, no mindfulness. Another person mentality, very strong mindfulness. We can say person. One person mindfulness don't have, another person mindfulness very strong. What is different? The mindfulness don't have person. That one, he is in the samsara. That one, that person, that based on the greed, based on the hatred, based on the delusion, based on the defilements, because no Dhamma for him, no mindfulness. His samsara journey always birth, aging, sickness, dying, many suffering together, die. Again new life, again same thing and continue his life and die. This way, life to life, he is dying. Life is a way of the horizontal. Life to life, he is in the journey, samsara journey, because no mindfulness. We think another one have the very good mindfulness one. What is the difference of him? He is going upward. It's not the horizontal, he is going vertical, upward. So that one going upward. That the mindfulness, when the mindfulness getting stronger and stronger, mentally purification, defilements going away. Because of the defilement don't have naturally concentration come. When the mindfulness is stronger, natural concentration come. When these two there, wisdom also come. Now you understand, mindfulness bring concentration, mindfulness bring wisdom, not only that, mindfulness bring attainments. So valuable things. So that person who had the mindfulness, he go upward to the concentration, upward to the wisdom level, upward to the liberation. His samsara journey is going toward the ending. So important thing. Developing or not developing depend on ourselves. We can decide we are going to develop or not. If we are delay, if we are lazy, means our weaknesses. So we had to maintain effort. We should determine to experience deeper mindfulness. Then our mindful become better and better, stronger and stronger. Life become very comfortable. We are expecting ordination life, happy life, but we never reach happy ordination life without deep mindfulness. We are thinking if you do this thing, we can be happy. Never. That thing is, if you develop mindfulness, only you can be happy in ordination life. If generally calmness, happiness you have, but you are suffering with the greed, hatred, delusion, if mindfulness not stronger. So all of us should determine also to complete mindfulness, fulfill mindfulness in our heart, fulfill mindfulness in our mind. We have to determine. Then we train. Gradually our mindfulness become better and better, life become better and better. So until we reach this level, we should develop mindfulness. So then, nature of the mindfulness, how to develop it? So the mindfulness, how we recognize mindfulness, how we know that we have the mindfulness. So mindfulness means that in a family, mother always keep watching this son and daughter, small babies, because mother want to look after baby, always keep looking, keep watching. In a factory or in a office, chief always keep looking who is working, who is not working, always keep watching. And also in school, teachers keep looking for the students, what they are doing, who is studying, keep watching. This function is called mindfulness function. Mindfulness always keep watching what you are talking, always keep watching what you are doing, keep watching what you are thinking. This watcher, this person always looking at you. Same way the mindfulness always looking. You are thinking, you are talking, you are doing. Always keep watching. This called mindfulness. You can see now whether you have it or not. When you are walking time, if you are keep watching, you have mindfulness. If you are talking time, if you are doing some work time, if you are thinking time, means your mindfulness good. If you forget what you are doing, what you are talking, what you are thinking, means you don't have mindfulness. You are in the second group. Means you are now a journey is in the horizontal journey. You need to convert it to the vertical journey. Need some effort. Without proper effort, you never come. Small effort never works. Big effort you need. Reason is your heart, your mind, based on many defilements, greed, hatred, delusion. Those defilements not allow you to develop mindfulness. When you are focusing mindful object, greed object come. When you are focusing mindful object, hatred object come. When you are focusing mindful object, delusion object come. Not allow. Yeah, the defilements object not allow you to develop. To overcome these difficulties, to subside the defilements, you need much effort. That's why we need wake up early in the morning, daytime practice until 8, 9 o'clock, further some of the venerable practice until 10, 11 o'clock. Means this kind of effort we need. Then only your mindfulness gradually come up. If you are not effortful, you never experience deep mindfulness. Without deep mindfulness, you never experience happiness of the ordination of practice in life. If anyone need happiness of the practice in life, need continuous training of mindfulness. So this is the nature of the mindfulness. Watching person there behind all the time for your talking, thinking, doing. This watching power is called mindful power. So the mindfulness. We know now we have mindfulness or not, we can see we are in the which group, mindful group or non-mindful group. If you are in the non-mindful group, you are definitely calm, comfortable, and you are definitely brighter person. If you are not in the mindful group, means you are with the greed, hatred, delusion group. We have to convert this one. We have to apply mindfulness. This is very easy thing. Buddha teach how to develop mindfulness, very easy thing, but our effort not enough to do it. Very easy. You apply this focusing. When you are walking, you have to focus your leg or your body. When you are breathing, you have to focus your breathing. When you are talking, you have to focus your talking. When you are thinking, you have to focus your thinking. This only. Very simple thing. But immediately mindfulness not come up. You are doing it again. Gradually your mindfulness coming up. You have to do morning, evening, night time, today, tomorrow, every day. Then mindfulness become better and better. Gradually come up. Mindfulness become very stronger. Till the mindfulness is strong, we have to maintain these developments. Sometimes it takes a little bit time. One retreat may not be helpful. Few retreats we need. Sometimes 1-2 years it takes. But until the results come, we have to maintain. If you maintain this mindfulness, one day you can experience very deep mindfulness, very deep concentration, very deep wisdom. So then you will be more happy of your ordination life. This happiness you cannot take from others. Only development of the mindfulness, you reach this level. If you focus breath, if you focus bodily parts, if you focus bodily movements, if you focus 4 elements or dead contemplation, all develop your mindfulness. You have to apply it all the time. Walking time, eating time, sleeping time, washroom time, all the time we have to train. Then only you get very deep mindfulness. So we determine within this period, we apply, continuously apply mindfulness, we determine, then we can reach to the deeper level of the mindfulness. So the mindfulness, how to develop mindfulness? We need continuous effort. So that we need mindful object. It is very simple. We apply mindfulness object. It is very easy if you are effortful, but need sometimes. Until we reach our mindfulness, we have to train it. We determine and maintain developments of the mindfulness. So among these mindfulness developments, developed people, many, they are happy of their practice in life. Among these lives, our Aridhamma Mahathera is one of the very useful character. Today is the memorial day for Mahatheras. His passing away, we memorize 4th anniversary. His passing away, 4th anniversary memory day. So that many wholesome works we are doing today. Main one is our practicing wholesome and some others also. In last July, we had been having some offering, and also today also we had some offering, and also today we have a very special offering to the Pao monasteries, both monasteries, the Sanghadana and also Pariskara or material dana, all together today Sanghadana there. Pao monastery, behalf of our Aridhamma Mahathera. Mahathera's life is very special. In very young age, also he got concentration. Age 7, 8, also he got concentration. He ordained age 17, also very mindful concentration. Teacher preached some Dhamma talk. Disciple that time non-ordained, Upasak, also can preach the same Dhamma. After ordination, mindfulness very stronger, very easily memorize all the Buddha's teaching, Tripitakas. Later fulfill all practice, fulfill all learning and preaching abilities, and also all the good qualities with the Mahatheras. Mindful quality, humble quality, respectful quality, and also concentration one, preaching ability. All the good qualities which we need for the ordination life, Mahathera is the highest. So today we are memorizing our Mahatheras, this practice in life. We also accumulated some merits. The material offering we had also done. And also practicing power is the very important thing. Now we are in the intensive practice. We also a little bit develop our practice. Mindfulness, concentration, wisdom, we also had been developing. This power we share with our teacher Aridhamma Mahathera. Wish him fulfill all the enlightenment factors. Wish him fulfill all the paramis, and wish him attain his Buddhahood. We share all our merits with the Aridhamma Mahatheras. Later we discuss 1 or 2 questions, and later we share the merits. So the one Venerable asking 2 questions. First one is, Venerable, when he had been practicing about 1 week, he got very deep concentration, calmness. But after that, feel no practice, no energy to practice. Why this thing happened? How can overcome it? This is the nature of the mind. Mentality, nature. Sometimes with the results we feel not practice. Sometimes without results we feel no practice. Some of us, we are working very hard, no results. no energy to practice. Sometimes results come, but we think, oh, very difficult, this meditation, the difficulty I got this level, I cannot continue. This kind of laziness can happen. This is nature for all of the things, not only the meditation. If you are doing other work, also same. So we have to bring up again effort. We have to go to the meditation background. If the Venerable meditating effortfully, we go there and see, oh, energy come. We can think, oh, other Venerables practicing, why I cannot practice? We can compare and get the energy and practice. This way, we have to bring up our energy and practice. Then one day, your practice become more stable, practice fulfill. Till then, we have to maintain effort. So second part of the question is asking the meditation, the practice, can we do without teachers? Read in the books, without teacher, can we do it? The can do, meditation can do. But go to the deeper level, we need proper teachers. Reason is meditation as like the ocean, very big area we have developed. Little bit we can develop, some calmness, tranquility, this thing can develop. But this is not the meditation. Meditation is basic part, that one. Deeper part, very big subject. You can understand, if you are fully understand about your material, very big subject. If you fully understand of your mentalities, also very big subject. If you understand about your cause and effect, very big subject. Understand about arising, passing, very big subject. So this subject you cannot reach without the teachers. Teachers is very important in this path. So Buddha always encourage that Buddha Sasana is depend on the spiritual association. Spiritual teachers means the meditation teachers and guidance teachers. So that association very important. If not, little bit practice, later we judge ourselves, oh, I already attend first one, second one, third one, fourth attainments. This kind of wrong judgments very easy because of the no experiences. You can see in the world, highest people in other subjects, scientists or doctors, all of them, they learn their subject only under the teachers, then they get the deep knowledge. Same way this subject, meditation also very deep subject, very deep. Gradually you have to go deep and deeper together with the teachers. Teacher sometimes, when we effort going down, teacher encourage for effort for practice. When the other quality is going down, teacher encourage for the practice. So this way, teachers necessary. You know our Aridam Mahathera. Know all the Buddha's teaching and also had the practicing experience here in Sri Lanka. Very deep practice experience, all the time mindful. Even though Mahathera think, I need a teacher for further study. Go to the Myanmar under the power of Shadoji. Learn meditation practice under the Shadoji. Also learn further how to develop. Already have the concentration, immediate sitting time, natural concentration, even though this kind of teachers also going there and learning, following the teachers. Later, after practicing this part, come to Sri Lanka and teach this power meditations. So that even Mahathera also doing this work, nothing to say about us. We also had to learn this practice under the teachers. Then later we go deep and deeper knowledge of the meditation practice or practice more helpful for other worldly beings. So today we accumulated merits by practicing and doing some other wholesome works. By this practicing power, we share all these merits together with our Jinavansa Mahathera, together with our Jnanaram Mahathera, together with the Bodhidharma Mahathera, together with the Aridam Mahatheras who pass away. Wish all the paramis fulfilled and attainments for those Mahatheras and all the teachers and present teachers, our Pavasharoji and also Janananda Mahathera and Meguda Bhante and also senior teachers. All of them fulfill their practice and attain path portions. All of us may able to practice continuously, fulfill our practice and attain all the path portions. And also all the devotees, local and foreign, many devotees, supporting during the Vassana. You see some of the special food. This thing also bring from Colombo. This thing every day. Sometimes today also very early morning, 3 o'clock they come from Colombo and offer. So devotees so effortful to support the Sangha, especially the sister Emily and brother Jinsu from Taiwan. Also whole Vassana they are also supporting for the special things. And also some of the Chinese devotees also supporting. And also some of the Indonesian devotees. Because of their help, Sangha also comfortable. So we share all these merits with them and wish all of them fulfill their practice and attainments. Many devas also rejoicing our merits. We share all these merits with all the devas and fulfill their practice and attainments. All the worldly beings, universal beings, rejoice our practice, fulfill their practice and attainment path portions. Wish all of us may able to practice continuously, fulfill our mindfulness, fulfill our concentration, fulfill our wisdom and attain all the path portions and nibbana. Teruvan saranai, we share the merits. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idang wo nyate nang wo tu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang wo nyate nang wo tu sukita hontu nyatayo. Idang wo nyate nang wo tu sukita hontu nyatayo. Ettavata ca ammehi sambatang punya sampadang. Sabbe deva anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe bhuta anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Sabbe sattha anumodantu sabba sampatti siddhya. Akasattha ca bhummatta deva naga mahiddhika. Punyantang anumoditva cirang rakkantu sambuddha sasanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha desanam. Cirang rakkantu sambuddha savakam. Cirang rakkantu mamparante. Asming vihare charame adivattaya. Anumoditva imam punyang rakkantu jina sasanam. Sabbe sattha ca majjatta hita ca hita ca me. Anumoditva imam punyam bujjantu amatam padam. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamo. Satan samagamo tu yava nibbana pattaya. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamo. Satan samagamo tu yava nibbana pattaya. Imina punya kammena mame bala samagamo. Satan samagamo tu yava nibbana pattaya. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattiya buddham pujemi. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattiya dhammam pujemi. Imaya dhammanu dhamma patipattiya sangham pujemi. Addha imaya patipattiya jati jara maranam ma parimuncissami. Kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya khatam. Acchayam kamame bante bhuri panya tathagata. Kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya khatam. Acchayam kamame dhamma sannettika kalika. Kayena vaca cittena pamadena maya khatam. Acchayam kamame sangha punyakketa anuttara. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.